Alright, if you're thinking about getting a Poolin embroidery machine, this video is going to save you a lot of time. And honestly, probably a lot of money too. Because here's the thing, Poolin has a ton of models that look similar on paper. But in real use, they're built for completely different people. Some are perfect for beginners, some are great for starting a small business, and a few are full-on production machines. So in this video, I'm ranking the 7 best Poolin embroidery machines, starting from the most basic all the way up to the most powerful. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Number 7. Poolin EOC03. Let's start with the most basic one, the Poolin EOC03. This is designed for absolute beginners. I'm talking about someone who has never touched an embroidery machine before. You get a 4 by 9.25 inch embroidery area, which is actually decent for small projects like t-shirts, names, baby clothes, or gifts. It also comes with built-in designs, fonts, and a simple touchscreen interface that doesn't overwhelm you. You can transfer designs through Wi-Fi or USB, and it even includes starter kits, so you can begin right away. But let's be real, this machine has limitations. It's single needle, which means every color change is manual. So if you're doing multicolor designs, it's going to take time and patience. Also, getting the tension right can take a bit of trial and error. So who is this for? This is for someone who just wants to try embroidery at home, maybe as a hobby, without spending a lot. But if you're even slightly serious about turning this into income, you'll outgrow this pretty fast. Number 6. Poolin EOC05. Next up, the Poolin EOC05. This is still beginner-friendly, but it's a noticeable step up from the EOC03. You get the same 4 by 9.25 inch embroidery space, but the overall experience is smoother. The 7-inch touchscreen is bigger and easier to use, and the machine is designed to feel less intimidating for new users. It comes pre-threaded in many cases, includes accessories, and has strong support from Poolin's team, which actually makes a big difference when you're starting out. But again, this is an embroidery-only machine, no sewing, and just like the EOC03, you're still dealing with manual color changes. Also, if you want to create custom designs, you'll eventually need separate digitizing software. So this machine sits in a very clear spot. It's for beginners who want a better experience right from the start, but still want to keep things simple and affordable. Number 5. Poolin EOC06. Now, we step into something much more interesting, the Poolin EOC06. This is where things start to feel serious. You get a much larger embroidery area, 7.9 by 11 inches, which means you can now handle hoodies, larger designs, and even small business work. The touchscreen is responsive, the system is beginner-friendly, and you also get built-in designs, Wi-Fi transfer, USB support, and even software to create your own patterns. What really stands out here is the value. You're getting a full starter bundle threads, hoops, stabilizers, basically everything you need to start immediately. Now, it's not perfect. You might need to tweak tension settings or slow down the machine for the best results. And it's a bit heavier than some alternatives. But overall, this is where most people should start. If you're serious about embroidery, even as a side hustle, this is one of the best entry points. Number 4. Poolin EOC07. Now this one is interesting, the Poolin EOC07, because on paper, it looks incredible. You get a massive 7.9 by 15 inch embroidery area. That's huge. You can do large back designs, jackets, big logo stuff that most beginner machines simply can't handle. It also comes with Wi-Fi, USB transfer, a touchscreen, and the in-stitch system. But here's the catch. This machine can be a bit unpredictable. Some users report tension issues, bird nesting, and even problems with the largest hoop. It's one of those machines where if everything is set up perfectly, it works great. But if not, it can be frustrating. So who should buy this? If your priority is a large embroidery area on a budget, and you're okay with a bit of a learning curve, this could work. But if you want something smooth and reliable, the EOC06 is honestly the safer choice. Number 3. Poolin EOM. Now, we're stepping into commercial territory, the Poolin EOM. This is a 15-needle embroidery machine, which completely changes the game. Instead of manually changing thread colors, you load up to 15 colors at once, and the machine switches automatically. That alone saves a massive amount of time. You also get a large embroidery area, support for custom hoops, Wi-Fi, and USB transfer, and features like automatic thread trimming and thread break detection. It's built for long working hours, literally designed to run 24+ hours if needed. And despite being a commercial machine, it's surprisingly beginner-friendly thanks to the touchscreen and simple workflow. Now yes, there's still a learning curve. This is not a toy you'll need to understand setup, tension, and operation. But for someone moving from a single needle machine into real production, this is one of the easiest transitions you can make. Number 2, Poolin EOV. Next up, the Poolin EOV. This is also a 15 needle machine, but it's more focused on stability and consistent production. You get a reinforced frame, smoother motion, and reduced vibration, which really matters when you're running the machine for long hours. It handles caps, apparel, 3D puff embroidery, and repeat orders without constantly needing adjustments. The embroidery area is slightly smaller compared to the EOX, and the speed is lower at around 850 stitches per minute. But that's intentional. This machine is built for reliability, not just speed. So if you're running a small embroidery business and need something you can depend on every day, this is a very solid choice. Number 1, Poolin EOX. And finally, at number 1, the Poolin EOX. This is the most powerful machine on this list. 15 needles, up to 1,200 stitches per minute, and a massive 14 by 20-inch embroidery area. This is built for serious production. You can handle jackets, hoodies, large back designs, bulk orders, basically anything a growing embroidery business needs. It also excels in areas like 3D puff embroidery, fine lettering, and multicolor designs without constant intervention. You get automatic trimming, color changes, Wi-Fi transfer, and a touchscreen system that's easier to use than traditional industrial machines. And the biggest advantage? Speed and efficiency. If you're running orders daily, this machine will save you hours. Now, it's not for beginners. This is a business investment. There's a learning curve, and you'll need space, setup, and proper workflow. But if you're ready to scale, this is the one. Final thoughts. So here's the simplest way to choose. If you're just starting out, go with EOC05 or EOC06. If you want large designs on a budget, EOC07. If you're moving into business, EOM. If you want stability for daily production, EOV. And if you want maximum power and output, EOX.